Viewers, the 2024 elections may be over, but the war continues. For the first time in decades, there is a contest for the Speaker's post. After no consensus could be reached between the government and the opposition, the stage is now set for elections for the Speaker's post at 11 a.m. today. While Om Birla is the NDA's nominee, the 8th-term Congress MP K. Suresh is the joint INDIA bloc nominee. But given the NDA's majority in the House, the victory of Om Birla is almost certain. Both Congress and BJP have issued 3-line whips to their members of parliament, asking them to be present in the House for the voting. The NDA MPs have been called on a breakfast meeting at the residences of senior ministers from their respective states, where election process will be explained to them. The opposition has 243 MPs, while the NDA has 293. The majority mark to get a motion pushed is 272, which the BJP has, but not the Congress. Still, the Congress has decided to field its own veteran member of parliament, K. Suresh, to contest in the Lok Sabha Speaker's election. The INDI bloc clearly doesn't have the numbers, but does the Congress even have the support of its own allies? Let's show you what rationale Rahul Gandhi has given to fight a losing war. He claims that the Congress had promised to back the NDA candidate if they get the Deputy Speaker's post. But the BJP has hit back, saying that there is no such convention, that the Deputy Speaker's post must go to the opposition.
ऑपोजिशन, पूरी ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है, हमने सब के सब से बात की है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि हम स्पीकर को सपोर्ट करेंगे, मगर कन्वेंशन ये है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन को मिलना चाहिए। राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कल शाम कहा था कि वो खारगे जी को कॉल रिटर्न करेंगे। अभी तक राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी का कॉल रिटर्न नहीं किया है। तो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन हो, और फिर हमारे नेता को इंसल्ट करा जा रहा है, तो नियत साफ नहीं है।
तो ये जो आदान प्रदान करके ये पद ये पार्टी ले लो, वो पद ये पार्टी, ऐसा स्पीकर और डिप्टी स्पीकर को नहीं कर सकते हैं।
They are not ready to give any assurance. So we are compelled to file a nomination for the post of speaker.
एक पुरानी मानसिकता है कि हम डिक्टेट करेंगे टर्म्स को, उस मानसिकता को फिर से दिखाया गया कि नहीं, शर्त है कि पहले लोकसभा का उपाध्यक्ष कौन होगा वो पहले तय करें, फिर अध्यक्ष के लिए समर्थन मिलेगा।
Now, after all, in Karnataka and in Himachal Pradesh, the Congress has retained both the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker's posts. In Telangana, the post remains vacant. In Tamil Nadu as well as in Bengal, the Deputy Speaker's post is also with the ruling party. Not only does the India bloc not have the numbers to win the Speaker's post, there are differences within. While Mamta's party said that they weren't consulted, Sharad Pawar said that as per convention, the opposition shouldn't contest the Speaker's post, going to the ruling side.
मैंने किसी के साथ ये इशू में डिस्कशन किया है। प्रैक्टिस है।
Because post is being contested. So let's take you through it. Now, what is the first reason that the Speaker...
मैंने उनको सलाह दे दिया कि आप गवर्नेंस से लोगों को स्पीकर की सीट के लिए अनअपोज आपका इलेक्शन होना चाहिए, इससे हमारी सहमति है। ये संदेश दीजिए साइलेंस टीवी से जैसे स्पीकर की सीट उन्होंने अपोजिशन को देना चाहिए।
कांटेक्ट किया था कांग्रेस ने, आरोप है कि कांग्रेस ने
लेकिन अभी तक
कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं किया है, कोई बातचीत नहीं हुआ है, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस हैज बीन अ यूनिलैटरल डिसीजन।
Well, viewers, so let's tell you now why the Speaker's post is significant. The first reason is that the critical, in a absence of a simple majority of one party, the Speaker is the one that gets to vote. He also decides the agenda for the Parliament in all of its meetings and its sittings. What else does the Speaker do? He allows the adjournment and no confidence motions in case such motions are brought. They have been brought in both the last two Lok Sabhas. The Speaker also interprets the rules of the House, which cannot be challenged, so the Speaker has adjudicating power there. He can discipline members of Parliament for unruly behavior in the House as well. We've seen that in the last Lok Sabha there were a number number of MPs suspended, for instance. The Speaker can even disqualify members of Parliament under the 10th schedule. Again, something that we have seen happening in the last few years. And so these are some of the reasons why the Speaker is very, very critical in any kind of parliamentary system. Even in systems outside of India, the Speaker is extremely, extremely important. And so that is why this contest right now we are looking forward to at 11 a.m. Viewers,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.